Hey there, language learners. Welcome back to Single Step English. I'm Steve, and today we're diving into another fascinating English expression, beat around the bush. Beat means to hit or strike, and a bush is a plant that grows thickly with several hard stems coming from the root. It looks like this. But when we combine them, it means to avoid discussing something directly. It's like a person is avoiding the main topic instead of getting straight to the point. For instance, imagine you ask your friend if they can lend you some money. And instead of giving you a direct answer, your friend, they start talking about their busy schedule and other unrelated things. You listen, and then you might say, "Stop beating around the bush and just tell me if you can help me or not." Or let's say you're in a meeting at work and your colleague keeps talking in circles without addressing the main issue. You could say, "We don't have time to beat around the bush. Let's get to the heart of the matter." There you have it. Now you know what it means when someone says they're beating around the bush. It's a little bit of a direct expression, so be careful not to use it with someone who is socially above you. Keep practicing your English expressions, and remember, every step brings you closer to fluency. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.